Today I'll be making strawberry banana milkshake. For that you need 1 cup strawberry, 1 cup whole milk, vanilla ice cream and 1 banana. Add 1 cup of strawberry to a blender and 1 banana. I'm only using 3/4 of this banana because it's a large size one. Add 1 cup of milk. And 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. If you want more sweetness to your milkshake, you can add sugar to it according to your taste. Strawberry banana milkshake is now ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'll see you next time with another recipe, and thank you for watching.